This video gonna be a little different one and a little funny one. Trail riding was always on my head from a long time, and one fine day I also made a plan of a trail riding with two of my friends, Simran and Santosh, and they both are pro in this category, but I just wanted to experience it. Swatpillen isn't made for this kind of terrain at all. Due to the heavy rain on last night, most of the part there was no grip at all on the road, and most of the part was completely waterlogged. And after completing more than 18,000 km on the stock tire, you can literally feel the grip of my tire on that muddy surface.
मेरा क्रैश गार्ड तो गया। एक मिनट, तो प्लास्टिक पार्ट है। चलो 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 बैठ और निकाल दो। हाँ
In some areas there was no road at all, but trust me, I enjoyed the ride thoroughly and I enjoyed the performance of this bike as well. I know the ground clearance is low, I know it has heavy weight compared to any off-roading bike, but trust me, I enjoyed the power. And stay tuned at the end of the video because you have some crazy off-roading sessions for you.
घर जाके लिस्ट बनाना है।
अभी यहाँ से नीचे भी जाना है।
क्या क्या टूट गया?
देखो दोनों गार्ड तो गए हैं।
अरे ये तो पहले से गया था, अब ये भी गया आज।
अच्छा कंपनी वाले तो बोल्ट टूटा है बस।
हाँ 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 हाँ
ये
फिर
तो वापस इसको लगा के सीधा हो जाएगा।
हाँ ये थोड़ा गया था घूम के। चलो चलो। कहाँ से लेके जा रहे हैं? हाँ मैंने डिज़ाइन किया, आप बोलो कहाँ कहाँ से गया मैं।
So I hope you enjoyed the whole video. It feels great to experience something new. I don't have any problem with those falls at all. I don't come to any conclusion after watching this that this bike is bad. Unless and until you are on that road, you won't be able to believe the condition of that road on that particular day. And no matter what bike you have, end of the day, what does matter is the riding skills. And that is the one thing that I actually wanted to learn day by day. That's pretty much for this video. Stay tuned in my channel. You're gonna enjoy more of this kind of video on my channel from now on. Anyways, stay safe and ride safe.
फोटो खींच लो चलो।
तो ऐसे रहो।
हाँ ऐसे ही लेट रहा हूँ, मैं लेट रहा हूँ।
हाँ बस गिर जाओ, पूरे गिर जाओ।